Are you serious? Are you serious? The super volcanoes are starting to wake up. Now, we already know about the earthquakes, 9 earthquakes over 6.0 in a 4-day stretch. Maybe that's calming down. We've just had a couple quakes that were over 5 here in the last hour. A 5.6 hit Chile and a 5.3 in Japan again. Now, I'm hoping that the things are going to calm down since these 2 major quakes that we had. Japan, 7.0, it's left 41 people dead and 1,500 injured. And then the mega 7.8 monster earthquake that hit in Ecuador, the death toll rising now to 272 with over 2,000 people injured. But everybody's worried about Yellowstone supervolcano, and you should be. But there's something even worse, potentially, and that's North Korea. A supervolcano in North Korea is waking up, and so a rare collaboration is starting to take place between North Korea's government and Western scientists. Here's why. According to reports, if this thing blows again, well, you don't want that to happen. In a groundbreaking collaboration between West and North Korea, volcano experts are gaining new insights into Mount Picatu. It's Peak 2 on North Korea's border with China, and whether it might blow its top anytime soon. If it does, the outcome could be catastrophic. Peak 2's last eruption 1,000 years ago is the second largest ever recorded in history, and only eruption worse than that was Mount Tambora in Indonesia back in 1815. If it erupts, it would have impacts way beyond Korea and China. According to James Hammond of Birkbeck University of London, one of the scientists that's involved in monitoring it. Back in 946 AD, the eruption of Mount Peak 2, Korea's highest mountain, blasted 96 cubic kilometers of debris into the sky, 30 times more than than the volcano of Pompeii back in AD 79. Yet, despite its size and potential impact of eruption, little known about this volcano because of where it's located. And Western researchers got involved because the team investigating the volcano in North Korea, led by Rai Kong-song of the government's earthquake administration in North Korea, needed access to extra scientific equipment and know-how. In other words, North Koreans just don't know how to handle it, they don't have the type of equipment they need. They have to work with Western nations. Now, Chinese volcanologists who have been monitoring the volcano call for more help from the other Korean side. That's South Korea. All right? So this thing is getting very dangerous. They're very concerned. It's been 1,000 years, and they're very worried it could blow. And with the secrecy and the tough to deal with hermit nation communist regime of North Korea, it's difficult to be able to access it, and they know they need help. And actually, China better get involved because this thing could be and would be catastrophic if it blows. What's causing it to wake up? What's causing Mount Rainier in Washington to tremble? What's causing the supervolcano in Yellowstone National Park to shake? What's causing earthquakes in diverse places? Why is the Ring of Fire on fire? Why is more and more and more volcanoes erupting and earthquakes shaking and sinkholes breaking, and this what's causing the heavens, the pull, the gravitational pull upon the planets. What's going on here? And why is Planet X back in the news? NASA put it out there. Then NASA backed off. Then NASA talks about it. Then NASA keeps backing off. But you have too many astronomers out there, too many amateur astronomers with every periscope, every telescope they got looking, everybody trying to find it. There's even some amateur astronomers who believe they have spotted the elusive Planet X or Nibiru. And so while that's going on, we know that NASA said it was there. They saw it in 1984. They even set up what was called the Nibiru Project. And I've even talked to a man who was a part of that team. And he's very ill now and says, I got to get this. I can't, I got to get this information to somebody. I can't die with this information. I have to release this. It's coming. It's coming. There's going to be catastrophic, cataclysmic, apocalyptic events that's going to happen on the earth, and it's coming. It's coming soon. It has begun. The pull has begun. And I don't know what that means, folks. I'm sharing with you. It's everywhere. But the Bible said that there's will be signs in the sun and in the moon and in the stars, and the stress of nations with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring. Men's hearts would fail them for fear, for looking after those things that are coming upon the earth, for the powers of heaven shall be shaken. Then shall we see the Son of Man coming in a cloud with power and great glory. And when these things begin to come to pass, he says, look up. Don't go hunt. Don't go hiding in a bunker with the elitist, with the Luciferians. Don't sell your soul now. When you see these things begin to come to pass, look up, lift up your head, for your redemption is drawing nigh. Calm down, everybody. Get a cup of coffee. We're going to be talking about these things today. Don't miss today's live broadcast. Starts at 12 noon Eastern at my website at www.paulbegleyprophecy.com. Are you serious?